All right, let's get a look at the weather now. Clear skies out there, hot on this Thursday.
So what can we expect as we get closer to the weekend? Here's the chief to let us know.
It's looking like we're going to get even hotter. So today in the 80s, tomorrow headed up near 90, and then we hold on to the heat for the weekend. Right now we're seeing a few clouds on Storm Track Live and on our webcams. You can see them in East Grand Rapids now, and behind that we have a little bit of wildfire smoke. So it's looking a little bit more overcast than it actually is. As we get into tomorrow, we should shake the smoke and we should see the humidity stay low. Tomorrow, the big story is the fact that we're going to be heating up. As for the weekend, hot, some storms possible, especially as we get into the second half of the day on Saturday. And then next week, rain is appearing more and more likely for Monday and Tuesday. We saw that really lovely soaking just a few days ago, and now it's nice to see even more rain in the 8-day forecast. So here's what we're expecting overnight tonight. Temperatures in the mid-60s, and then from there we should launch up to about 88 for Howard City tomorrow, 89 for Greenville, headed up to 83 for Whitehall. Winds will be out of the southwest at about 5. We'll see temps near 90 or just below 90 for Kent County, Ottawa County, Allegan, Barrie, Ionia. Same goes for the I-94 region. A lot of spots in that upper 80, if not 90 criteria. Not expecting any rain for Friday at all. Again, we have to wait until Saturday. So here's what's going on Futurecast. A few clouds traveling on through tonight. Few clouds at times on Friday, but mostly sunny in general. And then as we get into Friday night and Saturday, we'll start to see some storminess for the Upper Peninsula. So if you have folks that are camping that you know of and they're headed right into the heart of the UP, looks like they could be dealing with a few rounds of rain, even some thunderstorms. Definitely want to stay weather aware there. Make sure to kind of keep them in the loop if they are headed up that way. As for Saturday, we are going to be watching a complex of storms that could be moving in for us in the second half of the day. This is a glimpse of what 1 p.m. could look like on Saturday. It's going to be another hot day, slightly more humid, and as we get into the evening, we have a chance for some of those storms to arrive. So we got that at about a 40% chance, but remember, really is the second half of your day. And then Sunday, another chance of some showers and storms before we get another complex on Monday. So let's show you the Futurecast. This is Saturday, 5 o'clock, and it has a similar feel for you. That storminess coming down from the north to the south. That may sit over us Saturday night into Sunday, bringing some needed rain, with another rounds moving in Monday into Tuesday. Now this round Monday into Tuesday is looking like a sure thing, so we'll continue to keep you updated on amounts. Right now it's still a little too early to speculate just how much rain we might pick up from that Monday and Tuesday time frame. 8-day forecast shows that once the storms come in, we lose a bit of the heat, dropping down to the low 80s once more once we get to Wednesday and Thursday. Checking in on traffic.
All right, Alec, thank you. A live look from Muskegon, where it's looking like good boating weather out there tonight.
Yeah, Sarah Flynn will have your beach and boating forecast from Muskegon Lake coming up in just a moment. But first, we want to send it over to Bacca, who is tracking the nice day that we had today.
It has been so lovely. We do have a little bit of light wildfire smoke in the area, but most haven't really noticed it, especially because most of it is aloft. So we're not getting as much of that air quality impact. Here's what's going on satellite and radar. A few clouds here locally, but you can see that we have a batch of showers and storms just south of Minneapolis. This particular batch is likely going to be fizzling here over the next few hours, but you can see behind it we have a bona fide cold front that's going to be helping to push some shower and storm chances over towards our state. So we do have a fairly active pattern, and we do have chances of showers and storms in the forecast here starting Saturday and then continuing Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So satellite and radar will remain quiet tonight. Want to focus in on dew points for a second. We are seeing a little bit of stickiness. Dew point sitting at 64 in Grand Rapids, 68 in Allegan and Hastings. Tomorrow won't be overly humid, but as we get into the weekends, our temperatures are going to be up near 90, and our dew points are likely going to be feeling sticky. So keep that in mind if you have outdoor plans. It's the second half of the day we're going to be watching for storms on Saturday. And coming up, we are going to be showing you estimated rainfall amounts as we go through the first half of the week. But with the heat and the humidity, I have a feeling a lot of people are going to be headed to Lake Michigan.